Hello, this is Retro Russian. Today we're going to show you how to put a blow-off valve on a 2017 2.0 turbo Lincoln MKZ. It's really easy. It's only 3 bolts on the bottom side. I'll show you exactly where. So up and underneath on the bottom side, you're going to have a bunch of these 10mm bolts. Do this easily by just taking out the rear couple. Realistically, I get away with just taking out these corner ones. When you look up and in here, I'll get a bunch of stuff down my shirt. When you look up in here, you'll see your intake, your turbo intake tube that runs through your intercooler. You'll have this little thing sticking off the side here. Let me grab my flashlight real quick. So you'll have this little, that little guy there sticking off, and should be just three bolts there, and then one on top. So when you get to those, you just pull that connector off, and then you slide your Boomba back in, tighten her down. There might be a torque spec, but I don't even know. I just kind of ugga-dugga mine in. But yeah, it's that easy. All it really is getting it in the air, or enough to where you can get underneath. Pull your two to 4 bolts here. Boom, 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 boom. So 4 bolts holding your skid plate on. And then literally right there, it's like right in your face. Really easy, accessible. So I hope that helped out. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.